Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F19, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. From there, once the content that you wish to capture is visible for you right now, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have this sound along with the pop-up. It also gives you a notification that you can capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. Now, let's do it once more because we do have this pop-up here allowing us to capture a scrollable screenshot and share it. So just wanted to point that out. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. So let's open that up. Oh, my bad. Okay, so in here we're gonna navigate to library, and you can see it creates a screenshot album. We can open it up, and in here we will find screenshots and just screenshots that we have captured over the time. So there are the 2 that I have captured on the video. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.